Over the last decades, air forces have always been the first military component engaged in all crises or conflicts, from the Falklands to the Gulf, from Bosnia to Kosovo, from Afghanistan to Libya, and more recently Mali, the Central African Republic, Iraq, and Syria. Military aviation is undoubtedly the most strategic weapon today, both in terms of combat effectiveness and of critical technologies implemented. In modern warfare, air dominance from day one is a must so that air-to-ground and air-to-sea operations can be conducted safely and efficiently. The Rafale, with its omni-role capabilities, is the right answer to the capability approach selected by an increasing number of governments. It fully complies with the requirement to carry out the widest range of roles with the smallest number of aircraft. The Rafale participates in permanent quick action alert, air defense, air sovereignty missions, power projection and deployments for external missions, deep strike missions, air support for ground forces, reconnaissance missions, pilot training sorties and nuclear deterrence duties. Hello and welcome to SSB Crack Exams. I'm Hemant and now we are going to learn about the weapons and the armament of the Dassault Rafale, the youngest acquired aircraft of our country. Let me first quickly introduce to you about SSB Crack Exams, that we are one big online educational and motivational family of learners who are providing very strategic and useful content lectures, study material and quiz content to every defense aspirant preparing for various defense examinations like NDA, CDS, AFCAT, INET and Territorial Army examinations. If you wish to fly this Rafale aircraft by becoming a fighter pilot in the Air Force, I urge you to take up our AFCAT or CDS courses and start learning. Based on 20 years plus of experience gained on Mirage 2000, integrated testability of the weapon delivery and navigation system has proven itself. Accordingly, it has been decided on the Rafale to extend it to all aircraft systems. Thanks to accurate and comprehensive testability features, it allows targeted replacements to be made on the flight line down to electronic circuit boards and specific components. The centralized armament safety system makes all safety pins and last chance or end of runway actions unnecessary, minimizing the risk of errors and accidents and contributing to achieve an unbeatable turnaround time. The mission system of the Rafale has the potential to integrate a variety of current and future armaments. Let us now discuss about the weapons of Rafale. The first weapon that I am going to discuss is about Mica air-to-air missile. Developed by MBDA Missile Systems, this missile weighs around 112 kgs, it has length of around 3.1 meters and its diameter is 160 millimeters. MICA is the multi-mission air-to-air missile system for the Rafale and the latest versions of Mirage 2005 combat aircraft. It has a high level of tactical flexibility in order to meet the most demanding operational requirements, including beyond visual range, multi-target, multi-shoot. In addition, this system offers two guidance systems with its two interoperable seekers. Mica outperforms other BVR missiles with its unique stealthy interception capability provided by its silent seeker. That is it with about Mica missile. Let us now discuss about Meteor very long range air-to-air missile. Developed by also the MBDA Missile Systems, this missile weighs of around 190 kilograms, its length is 3.7 meters, diameter 178 millimeters. Meteor is the next generation of Beyond Visual Range Air-to-Air Missile or BVR-AAM system. This is designed to revolutionize air-to-air combat in the 21st century. It has world-beating air dominance, it has large no-escape zone, several times that of current MRA-AAM. Effective operation is in dense electronic warfare environments, and it has leading technology access through the 6 European industrial partner nations, and it will be available on F-39 Lightning II in future, and it is now in complete production. Now let us discuss about the next most important weapon that is going to be inducted along with the Rafale aircraft to our country, and that missile is of the Hammer air-to-ground precision guided weapon. Hammer, which stands for Highly Agile and Maneuverable Munition Extended Range, is a modular, rocket-boosted, air-to-ground precision guided weapon series fitted with INS, GPS or imaging infrared guidance kits with the upcoming all of these guidances. Armament Air Soar Modular Hammer is a new generation medium-range modular air-to-ground weapon designed and manufactured by Safran Group for the French Air Force and Navy. The standard AASM GPS or inertial version has been deployed on board Rafale twin-jet multi-role combat fighters of French Air Force, Indian Air Force and Navy respectively. Up to 6 Hammer missiles can be carried by Rafale fighter. The AASM weapon system has a length of 3 meters and a weight of 330 kilograms and has a range of over 60 kilometers at high altitudes and 15 kilometers at low altitudes. It has fire and forget capability and an extended standoff capacity. The interoperable missile has the ability to engage multiple targets simultaneously. It can also strike fixed or moving targets with high precision. The missile is maintenance free and has low life cycle costs. Now let us understand about the Scalp long-range standoff missile of the Rafale. Developed by MBDA Systems, the Storm Shadow Scalp is the air-launched, long-range, conventionally armed deep strike weapon designed to meet the demanding requirements of pre-planned attacks against high-value fixed or stationary targets. Its weight is of around 1300 kilograms, the length is 5.1 meters, and its range is in excess of 250 kilometers. Able to be operated in extreme conditions, the weapon offers operators a highly flexible deep strike capability based around a sophisticated mission planning system. Storm Shadow or Scalp has been put into operations with the Royal Air Force and the French Air Force, also in the Indian Air Force. The weapon is now in service with 3 other nations, giving rival deep strike capability. Storm Shadow Scalp is operated from Tornado, Rafale, Mirage 2000 and in future from Eurofighter Typhoon 2. The next is about AIM-39 Exocet anti-ship missile. Exocet AIM-39 is the airborne version of the Exocet anti-ship missile family. Indian Navy uses marine version of this missile. AIM-39 can be launched from strike aircraft, maritime patrol aircraft and helicopters. The weight of this missile is 670 kilograms, length is 4.69 meters, diameter is 350 mm and the speed is subsonic with a range of up to 70 kilometers. Depending on the altitude and speed of the aircraft, the Exocet AIM-39 enables the aircraft to remain at a range from enemy air defenses. When carrying out a low altitude attack, the missile may also be launched under the target ship radar coverage. Ingress is at an incredibly low altitude over the sea or sea skimming. We also have laser guided bombs with different warheads from 500 pounds to 2000 pounds, classic bombs which are non-guided also. Along with it, our Rafale aircrafts also carry 2500 rounds minimum Nexter 30M 791 30mm internal cannon, which is available on both single and two-seaters. This ammunition have been developed for either air-to-air or air-to-ground missions. As original equipment manufacturer, the Nexter 30mm 150 family is the only ammunition qualified for 30M 791 weapon by Dassault. With its 10-ton empty weight, the Rafale is fitted with 14 hardpoints, 13 on Rafale M. 5 of them are capable of drop tanks and heavy ordnance. Total external load capacity is more than 9 tons. Hence, Rafale can lift the equivalent of its own empty weight in payloads. Body-to-body refueling missions can be carried out in portions of the airspace out of reach of dedicated and vulnerable tanker aircraft. With its outstanding load carrying capability and its advanced mission system, the Rafale can carry out both air-to-ground strikes as well as air-to-air strikes and interceptions during the same sortie. It is capable of performing several actions at the same time, such as firing air-to-air missiles during an extremely low altitude penetration phase, a clear demonstration of the true omni-role capability and outstanding survivability of the Rafale. For more knowledgeable content and mind-blowing information, stay tuned to SSB Crack Exams. I urge every defense aspirant to download our Android app and kickstart your course with complete faith in us. We dream to fulfill your dreams. Always stay motivated, work smart and Jai Hind.